Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to capture an opening balance on a new cash book, which is only done once per cash book. Before you can import your first bank statement, you will need to capture the opening balance so that it can match with the closing balance once the import is done. Look at the CSV file to see what the closing balance is of the previous month/period or date that you're going to import it from. Take note that this is only necessary if the electronic bank statement that is being imported for the first time has a closing balance that is not yet done on the desktop app. Copy the closing balance's amount from the CSV file. After you've logged into the desktop app, go into the Financials module from the navigator. Once you're logged in, click on the cash books in the top left corner. Ensure that you have the correct cash book selected. If the closing balance amount is in a positive, you will click on the Deposits button. This is money that you have in your account, and money in overdraft that you owe your bank will be captured with a check into GoodX. If the closing balance amount is in a negative, you'll click on the Checks button. This is money paid out. In this case, we will click on the Deposit button because the closing balance amount is in a positive and not a negative. Now, you need to select a period. If it's a closing balance of the previous month, you will select the previous month/period and capture the amount on the last day of that previous month/period. Once the period is selected, you can click on the OK button where the cash book's receipt screen will pop up. The document number will be automatically generated. The date will have to be changed if it's not set as the last day of the selected month/period. Type in the description in the description field. Next, select the applicable ledger account. With GoodX, the CSR ledger account is selected with an opening balance. For clarity, the CSR ledger is applied to capital. From here, you will need to select which CSR ledger account will be used. Take note that it's recommended that you select CSR2 and change its name to Opening Balances, with the reason being that it will be easier for you to see which opening balance was imported. Please find the user manual link below in the description on how to create a ledger. Please take note that you select the correct ledger account, as practices structures can differ. Lastly, you can paste the closing balance amount we copied earlier in the amount field. Earlier, we selected the Deposits button due to the closing balance that is in a positive. This is where you need to ensure that it's in a positive amount. On the other hand, even if we did select the Checks button earlier, the amount will also show as a positive and the system will post it automatically as a negative once you continue with this process. Take note that the VAT is not applicable to the opening balance from a bank account. The account description shows which ledger it will be captured into. Once you're done, click on the Exit button and then click on the Post button to post the transaction. Now you can recon the first transactions with the opening and closing balance. Ensure that you have the correct cash book selected. Click on the Reconciliation button in the Cash Books menu. If this is the first time that this reconciliation is done, a screen will open asking First Reconciliation, enter the period up to which journals must be taken into account for the opening balance calculation. This is where you will type in the financial period's number from which the journals should be taken into account. After which, the recon screen will pop up where you can complete the fields. Take this opportunity to double check whether the financial to year and to period is correct. In the description, you can type in your own description. If this is your very first recon, you will not be able to add a custom description as it will be grayed out. In the opening balance field, it will show 0 if it's your first recon. Add the closing balance that was on your CSV file into the closing balance field. Again, ensure that it's a positive amount if you selected the Deposits button earlier and a negative amount if you selected the Checks button. Click on the next button and the recon screen will open. As an opening balance, there is only one row from which you need to check whether the amount on your bank statement and the amount in the column corresponds with each other. If the amounts do correspond with each other, you can tick the box in the recon column. If the transaction balances back with the closing balance, then balance on the right-hand side will be highlighted in green. Take note that if the balance is highlighted in yellow, you will have to reference back to do corrections. Now, you can continue by clicking on the Do Reconciliation button. An information message will state that the transactions have been reconciled and the statement will be printed. Click on the OK and then Next button. The recon statement will then show the transactions information. In this screen, you have the option to email, save, or print the recon statement. Otherwise, click on the Close button to continue. A warning message will state that all transactions were reconciled and ask whether you want to continue with the final reconciliation. Click on Yes to continue and the reconciliation successful message will pop up. Now, for the next time you will do a reconciliation, the opening balance field will have the previous month's closing balance in its field.